Air fryer frozen hash browns. Easy tips and tricks. Imagine waking up to the tantalizing aroma of crispy golden brown hash browns wafting through your kitchen. Now, picture achieving that perfect texture and flavor without the hassle of excessive oil or a greasy stovetop. Welcome to the world of air fryer frozen hash browns, a game changer for breakfast enthusiasts and busy cooks alike. In recent years, air fryers have revolutionized home cooking, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods without compromising on taste. These versatile appliances have found their way into countless kitchens, and for good reason. They promise the crispy exterior and tender interior we crave in our favorite foods, all while using significantly less oil. But can they truly deliver on this promise when it comes to frozen hash browns? The answer is a resounding yes. If you're new to the world of air frying and looking for an easy, fuss-free breakfast option, frozen hash browns are an excellent place to start. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can achieve perfectly crispy hash browns in your air fryer every time. Understanding frozen hash browns. 1. Types of frozen hash browns available. When it comes to frozen hash browns, not all varieties are created equal. The most common types you'll encounter are shredded hash browns, which resemble loose, grated potatoes and patties, which are compressed into a convenient oval or round shape. Some brands also offer diced hash browns, which are small cubes of potatoes. Each type has its own cooking characteristics and texture profile, making it suitable for different recipes and preferences. 2. Nutritional profile. Frozen hash browns are primarily made from potatoes, which are a good source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals like potassium and vitamin C. However, it's important to note that some brands may add extra ingredients like oil, salt, or preservatives. When choosing frozen hash browns, look for options with minimal additives for a healthier choice. The nutritional value can vary, but on average, a serving of hash browns, about 100 grams, contains approximately 150 to 200 calories, depending on the preparation method. 3. Why choose frozen over fresh? While fresh potatoes have their merits, frozen hash browns offer several advantages. Firstly, they're incredibly convenient. There's no need for peeling, grating, or soaking potatoes. This saves valuable time, especially during busy mornings. Secondly, frozen hash browns are often par-cooked, which means they'll crisp up faster in your air fryer. Lastly, they have a longer shelf life, allowing you to always have a quick and tasty side dish option on hand. Air fryer basics. 1. How air fryers work. Air fryers are essentially compact convection ovens. They work by circulating hot air around the food at high speed, creating a crispy exterior similar to deep frying, but with significantly less oil. This process, known as the Maillard reaction, is what gives food that desirable golden brown color and crispy texture. 2. Benefits of using an air fryer. The advantages of air frying are numerous. First and foremost, it's a healthier cooking method as it requires little to no added oil. This can significantly reduce calorie and fat intake compared to traditional frying methods. Air fryers also cook food faster than conventional ovens, saving you time and energy. They're versatile and capable of not just frying, but also roasting, baking, and even reheating leftovers. Plus, cleanup is often easier, with many air fryer baskets being dishwasher safe. 3. Air fryer versus traditional cooking methods. When it comes to cooking frozen hash browns, air fryers have a distinct advantage over other methods. Unlike pan frying, which often requires flipping and can result in unevenly cooked or greasy hash browns, air fryers provide consistent heat circulation for even cooking. They also eliminate the need for excessive oil, making them a healthier option than deep frying. Compared to oven baking, air fryers generally cook faster and produce a crispier exterior, thanks to their intense, focused heat. Preparing your air fryer for hash browns. 1. Preheating techniques. One key step to achieving perfectly crispy hash browns is to preheat the air fryer. This ensures that your hash browns start cooking immediately upon entering the basket, promoting that desirable crispy exterior. Most air fryers take about 3 to 5 minutes to preheat. Set your air fryer to the cooking temperature, usually around 380 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for hash browns, and let it run empty for a few minutes before adding your food. 2. Basket preparation. To prevent sticking and ensure easy cleanup, it's a good idea to lightly coat your air fryer basket with a non-aerosol oil spray or brush it with a small amount of oil. Be careful not to use aerosol sprays, as these can damage the non-stick coating of your air fryer basket over time. Alternatively, you can use parchment paper liners designed for air fryers, which have holes to allow proper air circulation. 3. Importance of single-layer cooking. For the crispiest results, it's crucial to arrange your hash browns in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Overcrowding the basket can lead to uneven cooking and less crispy hash browns. If you're cooking for a crowd, it's better to cook in batches rather than piling the hash browns on top of each other. This allows the hot air to circulate freely around each piece, ensuring that golden brown crispiness we all crave. The perfect air fryer, hash brown recipe 1. Ingredients needed to make frozen hash browns in the air fryer. You'll need frozen hash browns, shredded or patties, cooking spray or a small amount of oil, salt and pepper to taste, optional seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, etc. 2. Step-by-step cooking instructions. Preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly spray the air fryer basket with cooking oil. Arrange the frozen hash browns in a single layer in the basket. Lightly spray the top of the hash browns with oil and season with salt and pepper. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes for shredded hash browns or 10 to 12 minutes for patties. Halfway through the cooking time, shake the basket or flip the patties for even cooking. Check for desired crispiness and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes if needed. Carefully remove from the air fryer and serve immediately. 3. Timing and temperature guidelines. While the above instructions provide a general guideline, cooking times may vary depending on your specific air fryer model and the thickness of your hash browns. Start with the lower end of the time range and adjust as needed. The ideal temperature is typically between 380 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 193 degrees Celsius to 204 degrees Celsius. For extra crispy results, you can increase the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the last 1 to 2 minutes of cooking. Customizing your hash browns 1. Adding spices and seasonings. While salt and pepper are classic seasonings for hash browns, don't be afraid to experiment with other flavors. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, or dried herbs like rosemary or thyme can add delicious depth to your hash browns. For a spicy kick, try a pinch of cayenne or chili powder. Remember to season before cooking to allow the flavors to develop during the air frying process. 2. Incorporating vegetables. To boost the nutritional value and add extra flavor to your hash browns, consider mixing in some finely chopped vegetables. Onions, bell peppers, or grated carrots work well and can be added directly to frozen shredded hash browns before cooking. For hash brown patties, you can sprinkle finely chopped vegetables on top before air frying. Troubleshooting common issues. 1. Dealing with soggy hash browns. If your hash browns are turning out soggy, there are a few potential culprits. First, make sure you're not overcrowding the air fryer basket. Hash browns in a single layer cook more evenly and crisp up better. Second, check that your air fryer is preheated before adding the hash browns. Lastly, try increasing the cooking temperature slightly or cooking for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. 2. Preventing burning or uneven cooking. To avoid burning or uneven cooking, it's important to shake the basket or flip the hash browns halfway through cooking. This ensures all sides get exposed to the hot air. If you notice certain areas browning faster than others, you can adjust the position of the hash browns in the basket. Also, keep an eye on the cooking process, especially towards the end, as cooking times can vary between air fryer models. Health considerations. 1. Comparing air-fried to deep-fried hash browns. One of the main advantages of using an air fryer is the significant reduction in oil compared to deep frying. A crispy hash brown made in an air fryer can contain up to 70% less fat than its deep-fried counterpart. This makes air-fried hash browns a healthier option for those watching their calorie or fat intake. 2. Reducing oil usage. While air fryers require much less oil than traditional frying methods, using a small amount of oil can help achieve that perfect crispy texture. Instead of submerging your hash browns in oil, a light spray or brush of oil is usually sufficient. This allows you to control the amount of added fat while still enjoying crispy, delicious hash browns. Final thoughts. Whether you're new to air fryer cooking or a seasoned pro, Mastering the art of making hash browns in this versatile appliance opens up a world of culinary possibilities. The benefits of using an air fryer extend beyond just reducing oil usage. It also offers a convenient, quick, and easy way to prepare meals without compromising on taste or texture. The ability to experiment with different types of potatoes, seasonings, and serving styles means you can continually reinvent this classic dish to suit your tastes and dietary needs. What sets air fryer hash browns apart is their unique combination of convenience and quality. Unlike traditional frying methods, air fryers require minimal monitoring, allowing you to focus on other meal prep tasks or simply relax while your food cooks. The result is a consistently crispy, golden brown hash brown that rivals restaurant-quality offerings, but is made right in your own kitchen. Whether you're preparing a weekday breakfast, a weekend brunch, or a creative dinner side, air fryer hash browns offer an exceptional blend of flavor, convenience, and nutritional value. Meta description: discover how to make perfect air fryer frozen hash browns with KD4U's expert tips. Crispy, delicious, and effortless every time.